Today we will review about Whynter eco-friendly 11,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner. This unit features the advanced self-evaporating technology, which uses and recycles moisture collected during cooling process to produce cool air. It comes equipped with all of the great features of the Whynter air conditioner line. Four operational modes: air conditioner, fan, dehumidifier, automatic mode. Digital and remote control with full thermostatic control, 61 degrees Fahrenheit 89 degrees Fahrenheit, 24-hour programmable timer and 4 fan speeds. Extendable exhaust hose, up to 47, an upgraded plastic window kit included. Maximum window kit length is 47, minimum window kit length is 20. Upper and lower direct drain option for continuous operation without excess condensate accumulation.